Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to update all the Samsung Smart TV. Go to settings, tap on all settings, then go down, tap on support, tap on software update, tap on update now. You can see the current version and the new version on the right side. If you tap on this one, now they are checking for the available updates. Just wait for a few seconds, it will take a bit of time. If there is any updates, now you can see these options, and we can easily upgrade our TV using the option upgrade now or upgrade while off. Almost 10 minutes it will take, and your TV will automatically turn off, and after the upgrade the TV will automatically turn on. Simply in this way we can do the update all the Samsung Smart TV. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.